Hello everyone, my name is Millicent Atase from Digital Marketing Skill Institute, and in this short video I'll be showing you how to target buyers, that is people with buying or purchase intent, with Facebook ads. But before I continue, I would like you to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop a new YouTube video. Then you can like and share this video after watching it. One of the major reasons why businesses or organizations want to run ads using the Facebook advertising platform is because they want people to buy their product or then for them to use their services. So if I'm running ad and nobody is buying my product or nobody is using my services, it means I'm actually wasting my money. So that's why in this video I am going to show you how to target people who will be interested in buying your product or using your services. So right now I'm going to teach you how to target buyers, that is people who have shown buying or purchase intent with Facebook ads. For instance, I'm a business owner, I sell bags. So how do I target people who are interested in buying bags? So I'll move to the Facebook Ads Manager, and this is the ad set level right here. So in order for me to look for people who are interested in buying bags, I'll scroll down to detailed targeting. So on this detailed targeting, I'm going to type in bags. So I'm going to click on bags. I'll type in handbags also, handbags. So I'm going to click on it. So I have 2.6 million people interested in both bags and handbags. So if I have people interested in handbags and handbags, so are these people going to buy my bags? Well, not everybody who is actually interested in buying bags, not everyone who is interested in bags really wants to buy bags. So how do I target those people who are interested in bags, and want to buy bags? So in order for me to show my ads to people who are interested in bags and they want to buy bags, I'll have to narrow my audience. So if I want to narrow my audience, I'll click on this narrow audience. Then I'll click on browse. Then I'll scroll down and I'll click on behavior. Then I'll scroll down and I'll click on purchase behavior. Purchase behavior. Then I'll click on engage shoppers. So before clicking on engage shoppers, I want us to see who these engaged shoppers are. So according to Facebook, they define engaged shoppers as people who have clicked on the call to action button shop now in the past week. That is, they've seen a particular ad of a product and they've clicked on the call to action button that says shop now. So I'm going to click on engage shoppers. So immediately I click on engage shoppers, you notice that the audience size has reduced from 2.6 million to 610,000 people. So what Facebook actually did here is that in the bag and handbags interest, they actually helped me look for people who are not just interested in bags, but they are interested in buying bags. So if I'm showing my ads to this set of people, it means that they will buy my bags. So you can do this for other products or for other services too. So I'm going to do another example again. For instance, I'm a business owner, I sell shoes. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to cancel all these. So now I'm going to click on shoes. I'm going to type in shoes. Then I'll click on shoes. So for Facebook, the audience size here is, we have 5 million people. So 5 million people are interested in shoes. So if I'm showing my ads to 5 million people who are interested in shoes, like if you're interested in shoes, does not really mean you want to buy shoes. So how do I show my ads to people who are interested in shoes and they want to buy shoes? So the same thing we did for the bags, we are going to do it here. So we are going to narrow this audience and we are going to click on browse. Then we are going to scroll down to behavior, and we are going to scroll down and look for purchase behavior, then click on it, then we click on engage shoppers. So I have 5 million people interested in shoes. So immediately I narrowed my audience to engage shoppers alone, I have 1 million. So if I'm running an ad showing my shoe, so the people that are going to see my ads are those people who are interested in shoes and they're interested in buying shoes. So for any of your product and any of your services, you can actually use this strategy in order to show your products or services to people who are interested in buying them. Right now, you must have learned how to target buyers, that is, people who have shown purchasing or buying intent with Facebook ad. So if you want to learn more about advanced targeting option using the Facebook advertising platform, you should register for our digital marketing training course. Visit www.digitalmarketingskill.com. So thank you for watching this video, but before I go, I would like you to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop a new YouTube video, and I want you to like and share this video on your social media platform. Thank you for watching once more. Bye for now.